Hi guys, so this is just a simple tutorial to get you started with how to inspect a web page. So here we are. This is the page you'll be using, and as you can see we've got some quotes here. So the first one says, "The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking." Cool, nice quote. Yeah, so each of these quotes is in a specific div. Yep, so suppose I want to get all these quotes on this page. I can write a script that targets all divs that have this class. As you can see here, quote. Okay, and I go to the next div with the same quote, open it up. There's a span tag in it, and then here we have the quote. Okay, so this may look a bit clumsy, but yeah, that's how HTML pages look like in real life. We did such a simple thing in the tutorial. So yeah, here we are. This is what we'll be working with. In fact, this is also very simple. With time we will meet more complex HTML pages. Yeah, so get used to it. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce you to this. Yeah, with time we're going to look at all these. There's a console. You can write JavaScript here. Okay, we do all forms of debugging here, but the one that is very important to us is this. The inspect helps us to know which tags we have to interact with. So like this div, if we want to get this text, we can target all divs that have class codes, get the span that has class text, and then get the text in it. That will enable us get all the text that we have here. Yeah, so that's all for today. Yeah, as you would have guessed, there's a tag, there's an attribute, there's a tag, there's an attribute. Yeah, text is text, so text is usually between the opening tags and then the closing tags, and then attributes are found in the opening tags. So that's just a little something I wanted to explain to you before we move on to our next lesson on OneSelf solutions. Yeah, see you.